here, talking about some settings, I want to use a dark interface of Elementor. In order to do that, go to the 3 lines again, go to the user preferences and then the UI theme. I want it to be dark. I think that's better for your eyes, even though a big part of this area is still light, but I think it's better and you get used to it really quick and I think it makes it look better. So I want to cover so much at the same time. What I want to do, I want to go back over here to all the elements and I want to search for an image. I can do a side logo, but I want to go for an image and I drag it over here. So that's a really big image. That will be our logo. So if I want to add a logo, I click over here at the content and I grab this one, insert the media, and it is really big. So at the image size, I want to use a smaller one. Let's say 300 by 300, or you know what, 768, better. I bring it to the left. I want to align it at the left. You can link it. I want to do that. So I want to link it to a custom URL, which is the homepage. And if you want to go to the homepage, just say /. Then I go to the style. And as I said before, there we can change the look and feel so we can make it smaller. So right now we can decide in percentage how big it should be, but I prefer to do that in pixels. And then I can say pixel perfect how big I want it to be. So I want the width to be 200. Depending on the logo you have, I think this one can be a bit bigger until you are satisfied. Okay, well, you can also change something when you're on the hover, but I want to leave it as it is right now. And if I go to this column, I can click on it and I see that I can change the column width. Well, since there is a lot of space over here, which I will not use, I can drag this to the left and you see the percentage over there. And also over here, if I select it again, I can say I want this to be 30% of the complete width of this section. So the totals, of course, 100%. Here I say I want it to be 30, or I go down like that until I see that the logo becomes smaller. So I want it to be 25. And then this area, I want it to be 75. And if you want to see the real result on a normal screen, then you can click over here and then you see how it looks in real.